Alright guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. This is a bit of a different video. Looks very weird, but when on my track day footage like this and my other ones, I've been getting a lot of questions about how do I actually put the speedo and the map on, so it would look something a little bit like this. So you can see the miles an hour goes up, and my little person here, my map actually moves. So first things first, how I actually do this is you need a GoPro Hero 5 black, I believe, and up. I have a Hero 7 black. So there's a menu in there called region, and there's an option there for GPS. So you gotta make sure that's turned on. Then what you need to do is go to the GoPro Quick app. So you can either put in your SD card or plug in your camera. I have my SD card in. And all you do then is import your files. So depending on your file, it's going to take a while. So the import's all done. That didn't actually take too long. So then what we do, once your import is done, go over to media here on the left, and you can see here's my footage. I click on this bad boy, and obviously this stuff's already on for me. But all you do is click this button here, adjust gauges, and boom, here's all the different gauges. So I imported this clip before, so it obviously remembered what I put on. But if I hit save, you can put on so much stuff. Your G-force, which I think is pretty cool. If you play the video here, it will give you your G's. Now I don't know how accurate it is. You can see my speedo itself is actually off. It's a little bit on the slow side. Starts slowing down and speeding up before I even do anything. So it's a little bit off, but you know, it's still kind of cool to have on your video. It makes it look really cool. And then your speed tracker, so kind of your fast, your braking, and even looking at mine, it's fairly consistent, which is nice. Then when that's done, all you do is create a clip, and you can see there it's going to start playing. But all you do is create a clip, hit on the save button, and then that's going to create the clip with these on it. Anyway guys, that is the video. Hope you enjoyed. Any other questions, let me know. But like, comment, and subscribe.